Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go through this homework tutorial pretty quickly. We've got lesson 3.2b, solving systems by substitution. We have 10 problems, 9 systems, and 1 word problem. Let's get to it. Alright, first 3. Our first equation, very easily we can see y equals x plus 1 is already solved for y, so we're going to substitute that into our second equation. We're going to make that 2x plus x plus 1 equals 7. We combine like terms, that gives me 3x plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, subtract my 1. That gives me 3x is equal to 6. Divide by 3. I made a little mistake there. Let's fix that. I don't know why I did that by 2. I guess I was thinking ahead. Okay, let's get... Is that the right color? That's the right color. Let's do some erasing here. That's the second time I've done that tonight. Hopefully I haven't done that any more places. We'll find out. Okay, let's fix that. That is 3x divided by, or 3x is equal to 6. We're going to divide that by 3. Oops. Divide that by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay. Let me go ahead and play this out here real quick. Let that get to where I can fix it. Okay. Alright, let me go back in and fix that. Fix that there and here. Alright, 3x equals 6 divided by 3 gives me x is 2, so I substitute 2 for x. 2 plus 1 is 3. Come up here, erase that. And there's my 3. Okay. That should actually work much better. Y is 3, x is 2, so 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. That works. Double check here. When y is 3 and x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7. There we go. Now I actually have an equation that works. Alright, let's go on to number 2. Hopefully I haven't made any more mistakes like this. We have x equals y minus 2, and we have 3x minus y equals 6. We've already got x solved for, so we're going to plug that in for x in our second equation. Okay, so we have 3 times y minus 2 minus y equals 6. I'm going to distribute my 3. That gives me 3y minus 6 minus y equals 6. I'm going to combine my like terms. That gives me 2y minus 6 equals 6. Add my 6. So 2y is equal to 12. Divide by 2. So y is equal to 6. Okay, put that 6 up there in my answer. Okay, insert y into my equation. X equals y minus 2. So x equals 6 minus 2. So x is equal to 4. So my ordered pair is 4, 6. Problem number 3. We have y is 2x plus 3. Already solved for y, so we'll substitute that for y in our second equation. So we have 5x minus 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 3. Okay, combining like terms, I have 3x plus 3 equals negative 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. 3x is equal to negative 6. Divide by 3. So x is equal to negative 2. That goes up in my ordered pair. Now we will use y equals 2x plus 3. And I'm going to substitute negative 2 for x. So 2 times negative 2 plus 3. That gives me negative 4 plus 3. And that's y equals negative 1. So my ordered pair is negative 2, negative 1. Okay, that finishes out our first 3. Let's go to our next 3. Alright, we have 6x minus 3y is negative 33, and 2x plus y is negative 1. I'm going to use my second equation here, and I'm going to solve for y. Subtract my 2x from both sides. Y is negative 2x minus 1. We'll insert that into our first equation for y. So we have 6x minus 3 times negative 2x minus 1. And that will equal negative 33. Distribute my negative 3. Gives me 6x plus 6x plus 3 equals negative 33. I'm going to go ahead and subtract my 3 from both sides. And then I'll combine like terms. 6x and 6x is 12x equals negative 36. Divide that by 12. X is equal to negative 3. Put that up in my ordered pair. Okay, now I'm going to use 2x plus y equals negative 1. And I will substitute negative 3 for x. Two times negative 3 is negative 6 plus y is negative 1. Add 6 to both sides. And I get y is equal to 5. That's the y in my ordered pair up at top. Alright. Now I have 2x minus y equals 7. 3x minus 2y equals 10. Using my first equation to solve for y. Move my 2x over, and I get negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. Divide everything by negative 1. And I get y is 2x minus 7. Substitute that into my second equation for y. I get 3x minus 2 times 2x minus 7 equals 10. Distribute my negative 2. That gives me 3x minus 4x plus 14 is equal to 10. Combine like terms gives me negative x plus 14 is equal to 10. Subtract 14 from both sides, and I have negative x is equal to negative 4. I'll divide by negative 1. And x is equal to 4. Alright, I'm going to insert that into the equation 2x minus y equals 7. So 2 times 4 minus y is 7. That's 8 minus y is 7. Subtract 8 from both sides. I get negative 8, or not negative 8, but negative y is equal to negative 1 divided by negative 1, and that gives me y is equal to 1. Problem 6, I'm going to use the first equation, 4x equals 8y. I'm going to divide by 4. That gives me x is equal to 2y. Pretty nice, neat little equation there. Substitute that for x in my second equation. So 2 times 2y plus 5y equals 27. Two times 2y is 4y plus the 5y. So combine those, that gives me 9y is equal to 27. Divide by 9. And y is equal to 3. Substitute that in. Okay, I'll put it in my order pair first, then we'll write it out. So 4 times x is equal to 8y. Y is equal to 3, so I'll plug that in. So we have 4x is equal to 8 times 3, or 4x is equal to 24. Divide by 4. And x is equal to 6, giving me a 6-3 ordered pair. My head's starting to stop up. Alright, just 4 more problems. Alright, we're going to start problem number 7 with y plus x equals 0. I'm going to go ahead and solve for y on this one, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So y is equal to negative x. Plug that into my first equation. So I have x plus 3 times negative x is equal to negative 4. So x minus 3x is equal to negative 4. So negative 2x is negative 4. Divide by negative 2. and x is equal to 2. Plug that into my ordered pair up at the top. And then I'm going to use y plus x equals 0. I'm going to insert 2 for x. Subtract 2. And y is equal to negative 2. So my answer is 2, negative 2. Number 8, I'm going to use x plus y equals 3. We're going to solve for x by subtracting y from both sides. So I have x is equal to negative y plus 3. Insert that into my first equation. And we have 3 times negative y plus 3 plus 2y equals 9. Distribute my 3's. I get negative 3y plus 9 plus 2y equals 9. Subtract 9. Then I combine my like terms. Negative 3y plus 2y is negative y equals 0, so y is equal to 0. Insert that into our ordered pair and then insert it into our equation x plus y equals 3. So x plus 0, that gives me x is equal to 3. Put that in my ordered pair. Alright, this one's pretty straightforward. X is already equal to negative 4, so we're just going to plug that into my equation. 2y minus 3 times negative 4 is equal to 4. So, 2y plus 12 is equal to 4. Subtract 12. And I have 2y is equal to negative 8 divided by 2. Y is equal to negative 4. I already have x is negative 4 and my y is negative 4. So my answer is negative 4, negative 4. Alright, on to our word problem. We're going to use X for oranges. And we're going to use Y for grapefruits. Okay. And let's stop and read this real quick. Suppose you bought 8 oranges and 1 grapefruit for a total of $4.60. Later that day, you bought 6 oranges and 3 grapefruits for a total of $4.80. What is the price of each type of fruit? Okay. Well, to begin with, my first equation is that 8 oranges and 1 grapefruit for $4.60. So 8 times X plus Y gives me $4.60. Then I bought 6 oranges. So that's 6 times X plus 3 grapefruits. That's 3Y for a total of $4.80 there. Let's use our 8x plus y to solve for y. Okay, subtract my 8x. That gives me y is equal to negative 8x plus 460. Okay, I'm going to substitute that in for y. So I have 6x plus 3y is 480, and I'm going to substitute in for y. So 6x plus 3 times negative 8x plus 4.60 equals 4.80. So 6x, 3 times negative 8 is negative 24x. 3 times 4.6 is 13.8. I'm going to subtract that 13.8 real quick. Combine my like terms. 6 and negative 24 is negative 18x is equal to negative 9. So negative 18x equals 9. Or negative 9. I'm going to divide by negative 18. So x is equal to 0.5. So our oranges are equal to 50 cents a piece. Now let's look and see how much grapefruit are. I'm going to plug back into my first equation. So 8x plus y is $4.60. 8 times 0.5 for oranges plus the grapefruit is $4.60. 8 times 0.5 is $4 plus y is $4.60. I'm going to subtract that $4. So y is equal to 0.6 or 60 cents. So grapefruits are 60 cents a piece. Alright guys, that is it for tonight. I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a good night.